Everybody, buckle up. KDE just dropped a brand new app, and it's on one of those quiet but game-changing releases. It's called Drawy. And if you've ever used Excalidraw, Micro, or any of the infinite canvas tools, you already know exactly why this matters. This isn't just another doodle app. This is KDE stepping into the visual thinking space and doing it the open source way. Drawy is KDE's new infinite whiteboard for Linux. Think quick, sketch, diagrams, flowcharts, annotations, visual notes, mind mapping. It's built for speed, simply to get the idea out of your head before it disappears. No account, no cloud lock-in, no sign-in with Google drawing a circle. Just open the app and start creating. Why an infinite whiteboard matters? Infinite canvases are a secret weapon of modern thinking. They let you brainstorm without boundaries, map ideas visually, plan projects, sketch UI layouts, diagram systems, teach concepts, storyboard videos, and until now, Linux didn't have a native polished KDE grade tool for this. Sure, you could use Excalidraw in a browser, but first-class desktop apps hit different, especially for creators and educators and developers. Features and tools breakdown. Here's what Drawy brings to the table. Infinite canvas loops, forever, pan forever, simple drawing tools, pens, shapes, arrows, text, snappy performance, built with KDE's modern toolkit, clean UI, minimal, distraction-free, local first, your work stays on your machine, open source, hack it, extend it, fork it. It's early, but the foundation is solid, and KDE is planting the flag. How it compares to Excalidraw? Let's be real. Drawy is clear inspiration by Excalidraw, but that's not a bad thing. Excalidraw sets the standard for simple, fast, infinite canvas tools. Drawy advantage: native Linux app, integrates with KDE ecosystems, no browser overhead, no cloud dependency, no sources from day one. Excalidraw still wins on calibration and polish for now, but Drawy is young and KDE apps evolve fast. Why this big Linux creators? For big Linux creators, this is the part that matters for digital sovereignty. Linux has tons of powerful apps, but visual thinking tools have always been the weak spot. Drawy fills the gap, and it gives Linux users native alternatives. Proprietary Whiteboard, a tool for planning, teaching, and designing, a way to create without relying on cloud platforms, a foundation KDE can build on for years. This is how ecosystems grow, one missing piece at a time. Drawy isn't trying to be a full design suite. It's not trying to replace Creta or Inkscape. It's a thinking tool, a planning tool, a sketch pad for ideas. And honestly, that's exactly what Linux needs, right? If KDE keeps integrating on this. Adding layers, exporting options, maybe even calibration. Drawy could become a staple app across the entire Linux desktop world. Okay, so there you have it. Drawy, it's new. Check it out. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.